Definition of a gene. A gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Genes are made up of DNA. Every person has 2 copies of each gene, one inherited from each parent. Most genes are the same in all people, but a small number of genes, less than 1% of total, are slightly different between people. A particular segment of DNA molecule, generally located in the chromosome. Allele or allelomorph. One member of a group of alternative forms of a gene that can occur at a particular locus on homologous chromosome. Different forms of the same gene. An allele is one of the possible forms of a gene. Most genes have 2 alleles, a dominant and a recessive allele. If an organism is heterozygous for the trait, or possesses one of each allele, then the dominant trait is expressed. Alleles are forms of same gene with small differences in the sequence of DNA bases. These small differences contribute to each person's unique physical features. Locus, the particular point on the chromosome at which the gene for a genetic trait occurs. Homozygote. Homozygote produces only one kind of gamete with respect to a particular locus, and therefore it breeds true. Heterozygote. An individual possessing 2 different alleles for a given character at the corresponding loci of homologous chromosomes for a given character of all characters. Hemizygous, having only one copy of a particular locus present in the genome. Example, single X chromosome of males. Genotype, the genetic makeup or constitution of an individual with reference to traits under consideration, usually expressed by symbol. Individuals of the same genotype breed alike. Phenotype, the outward visible expression of the hereditary constitution of an organism. It is usually expressed in woods, tall and dwarf. Example, monohybrid, the offspring of 2 homozygous parents that differ in only one gene locus or which only such locus is under consideration. And the monohybrid cross, a cross between 2 parents that differ in only one heritable character or in which only one such character is under consideration. Dihybrid, an individual heterozygous in 2 pairs of alleles. Example, round yellow crossed with wrinkled green in pea plant. Trihybrid, an individual heterozygous for 3 pairs of genes. Example, round yellow tall crossed with wrinkled green dwarf in pea plant.